Here we are hiking Embudito Trail. Jacob's coming along.
I should have GoPro.
Going all the way to the top. South Sandia crest. Woo! All right, been hiking for about 45 minutes. Getting to the top of the desert section. Get up in through this canyon. We'll find get a little shade up in the forest.
I hope the camera caught that boat.
I definitely heard you. What do you think so far, Jacob?
I think it's hot and it's fun.
Yeah, we're finally out of that initial canyon, dropping down in the forest. Should be nice and cool for a little bit. All right, finally getting out of the desert, taking a break in the nice, cool place. Time to start heading up the mountain. They're so pretty. I love this part of the hike. Just in the deep forest. It's so cool and calm. Hear all the birds chirping. Hear Jacob chirping. I've always loved this spot. Cool stacked rock. Great place to take the backpack off and chill. Starting to get pretty high up. We've done about 4 miles and get our first views of South Sandia crest, or South Sandia peak, the one in the background. Clouds are getting dark. Hopefully we can make it to the top before anything rolls in. Just opening up and getting some views of the actual Sandia crest now. And the whole saddle along the way. And South Sandia is right directly behind this tree. Oh, it wasn't little baby horned lizard. Now we're working. Getting close though. We're definitely starting to get to some views though. Getting some glimpses of the East Mountains too a little bit. Still got a ways to go though. Cool little view of southeast Albuquerque. Can't see much else over the ridge there though. Nice little open view of the East Mountains.
It's dope.
It is dope indeed. Dope indeed. We're starting to get some good views. About to come up over the ridge. Cool view of the north end of the crest. Cool little viewpoint.
That's face camera.
Still have ways to go though. Still gotta go up over the ridge, around the back, and up to the top. Isn't that cool? Just came up on these. Right on the edge of the cliff.
I do kind of hope that it's drizzling a little bit whenever we hit that last desert stretch.
Right. Yeah, it's gonna be hot down there. You gonna make it?
No. Just kidding.
Ooh, I do not like the way those clouds are starting to look. We are getting close though. It's just right there. Home stretch. It's just right there. Be there in a couple of minutes. Definitely kind of pushing a little bit right now because those clouds are dark. So, I was just informed a couple minutes ago, this is Jacob's first summit. So, we're literally witnessing and popping a summit cherry right now. How does it feel, Jacob?
Feels like my summit cherry's been popped, and I'm going to develop problems with this from here on out. I'm addicted.
You're tired, you're hurting, you're sweaty, you're sore, you're crying, and you know you're gonna feel it tomorrow. Sounds about right. South Sandia Peak. And y'all are here to witness it. Jacob's first summit.
It's awesome.
You're finally a man. A mountain man.
The baddest one hand in the mountain lands.
So, since it is getting dark over there, probably eat a snack, rest up a minute, and haul us down. So we're on the summit, and those clouds are starting to talk to us. So we are gonna haul ass.
I heard one of them say "F off."
Yeah, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. When they have those little bushy sprouts on them. Ooh, that range is coming. Definitely felt the temperature just drop about 10 degrees. We still got some time though. I think this is just such a cool area right up here on this ridge line. Jacob's trying to not die. We'll see how well he does of it.
I'm gonna succeed at not dying. This mountain can't kill me if I kill myself.
That is a cool looking cactus.
Sucked. Still have a couple of really parts through this.
Well, we made it down alive. We didn't get struck by lightning. Didn't even get rained on really, but
Damn it.
we're down in the forest now. We're about halfway back, 9 miles total into the trip. Got 3 more to go. Shouldn't take us too long. It's all downhill from here, so I do like this section of hike. It's really pretty. All right, we're about 2/3 of the way back. Got a couple more miles and it's gonna all be through the hot desert. So we're enjoying the shade here and the cool breeze for just a minute before we jump right out into the sun and melt for like an hour or so. But almost done. Back down to the desert. It is definitely way hotter. It's like 10-15 degrees hotter than it was out in that forest. Making progress though. So close. We're almost done. Be down in a few. All right, back at the truck, getting some air conditioning. Final thoughts, Jacob?
That was awesome. I hurt and that was fun.
It was good. About 12 miles. Took us about 8 hours, a little less. So, yeah, time to go get some food and enjoy this air conditioning.